Hey guys, this is Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to give a quick preview of the Denon LC6000 customizable skins, available now at styleflip.com. Check us out online. Customize over 1,500 products. This is the Denon LC6000 customized skin. You can create your own look right on our website, add your own text, logos, and images. We'll ship you an easy to install skin. We ship worldwide. The skins are removable, will not damage your equipment. This is the Denon LC6000 customizable skins by styleflip.com. We add the text back right over your design so you don't lose the text. And the skins will protect your equipment, last the life of your product, and are easy to remove. Check us out now at styleflip.com.